Okay, it's pretty loud with the water, so I don't know if y'all guys can hear, but you can. This is the waterfall. We finally made it. And it keeps on going. It comes from way up in there. It comes down. Until here. See all the frozen ice and snow. The rock cliff. And there's a mountain goat up here.
See that? If you see that rock right there.
Oh, I got him in the.
Oh, it's probably see moving now.
I don't know if you can hardly tell
Just looking down there, he's just moving.
where he is, but he's there.
He's out just there, behind the bushes now.